Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to install Windows 10 24H2 in a simple and safe way. This guide will help you update your system using the built-in Windows Update feature. So let's get started. Step 1 is to click on the Start button, which is located at the bottom left corner of your screen and gives you access to all system tools and settings. This is important because every Windows Update process begins from the Start menu. Step 2 is to type Settings in the search box and click on Settings from the search results, which opens the main control center for Windows features. This area allows you to manage updates, security options, and system preferences easily. Step 3 is to click Windows Update from the left column inside Settings, where Microsoft delivers new features, security patches, and version upgrades. This section is essential because it checks whether the Windows 10 24H2 update is available for your PC. Step 4 is to turn on the toggle next to Get the latest updates as soon as they're available, which allows Windows to offer new feature updates faster. Enabling this ensures your device does not miss the 24H2 update when it becomes available. Step 5 is to click Check for Updates, which tells Windows to scan Microsoft's servers for the latest updates for your system. Once clicked, your PC will begin checking and automatically start downloading the 24H2 update if it is supported on your device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tutorials.